Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to introduce Quick Floor Pro, a powerful plugin for fast plank creation. We've just hit version 1.2.1, and it's a total game changer with the new Smart Variation System. Forget about those tedious tiling workflows. This tool gives you a fast and flexible way to build wood floors or tile layouts. The best part? It features one-click PBR node generation. Evening. If you only have a single base textures, the algorithm can automatically spawn up to 16 unique, non-repeating plank textures for you. It also handles all the roughness and bump settings automatically, so you can say goodbye to that repetitivity lead. Look and get that perfect, natural randomness instantly. From modeling to PBR node setup, Quick Floor Pro turns hours of work into just a few seconds. If you're interested, check out the link in the description below to learn more.